umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Basahin po natin ang ating Biblia sa aklat po ng Acts, chapter 5, verse 4. Ito pong pagkasabi, "Why have you conceived this thing in your heart? You have not lied to men, but to God." My topic for this morning is integrity. Ang kasaysayan pong ating nabasa ngayon is kasaysayan po ni Ananias at ni Sapphira. Sinabi nila na, ibinta namin yung lupa namin at pagkatapos ito ibigay namin lahat sa kaharian ng Diyos para sa gawain ng Panginoon. Of course, bininta nga nila, tama 'yon. Lahat na bininta nila. Unfortunately, si Ananias at Sapphira kinunan nila yung bagay na pinangako nila sa Panginoon. Parang faith promise lang ba? Lord, bigay ko ito. Pero hindi mo ibigay na, you are not lying to God. You are not lying to man, but to God. So anong nangyari kay Ananias at Sapphira? At the moment, namatay sila because Peter said, "You're not lying to man, but to God." Sometimes, hindi natin naaayos yung ating integrity. Ang integrity po, kahit walang nakatingin sa atin, kahit walang nanunood sa atin, ginagawa natin kung ano ang tama. Pag sinabi natin yan sa Panginoon, then let's do it. Kahit walang taong nakakita, kahit walang appreciation na binibigay, let's do it. That is integrity. At maaring wala man nakakita sa iyo nung kinuha mo yung isang ballpen, ninakaw mo yung isang pad ng papel o ano pa man yan. No one knows. Probably no one knows. But God knows because no one can lie on God. Walang pwedeng magsinungaling sa Diyos. This is my point. Integrity means never having to look over your shoulder. Walang nakatingin sa iyong balikat, walang nanunood sa iyo, but still, you are doing the best that you can. So as a Christian, we have to live in integrity. This is our topic for this morning, integrity. Live up integrity. May nakatingin o wala, ipamuhay natin ang buhay natin ng tama. God bless po at magandang umaga.